You swear to affirm to the testimony that you're about to give the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. You have a seat. Please state and spell your full name for the court.
Cathy Wolfenbarger, CathyWolfenbarger.
Good morning, Ms. Wolfenbarger.
Good morning.
Suffice to say, you may be a little bit nervous.
Yes.
You don't like cameras,
No.
unlike some of us.
No.
Do you know the defendant?
I do.
How do you know him?
He's my son.
Okay, I want to ask you to lean forward, please, and speak closer to the microphone.
Okay.
And remember to talk kind of slowly.
Okay.
So, how do you know him?
He's my son.
Okay. And did you know Melissa Wolfenbarger?
Yes.
And how did you know Melissa Wolfenbarger?
His wife.
Okay. And did you spend a lot of time around Melissa Wolfenbarger?
Somewhat.
Somewhat. And describe your relationship at the time that you were around her somewhat.
Well, they mostly lived with my mom, and the kids was there, and I would go and visit up there.
How far away did you live from your mom?
From Locust Grove to Stockbridge.
Okay. So how often would you go up there?
Maybe, I don't know, just every other day or once a week or something.
Okay. I want to show you a document that's already been admitted into evidence. Are you familiar with that document?
Yes.
And can you describe what that document is?
Melissa giving me temporary custody of the children.
Right. Okay. And when she gave that to you, did she give you any reason why she was choosing you as opposed to someone else?
She does not want them down her parents' house.
And at some point later, did you make that temporary custody permanent?
She did.
Okay. And you remember what year that was?
I don't know.
And when she had you do that, did you go down to the courthouse, or how did that work out? How did you get the message from her that she wanted you to do that?
Called me on the phone.
From where did she call you from?
I was at my mother's house, my parents' house.
And where was she calling from?
I assumed the court place. I don't know.
At the courthouse?
Mhm.
Do you remember when Christopher and Melissa moved to Atlanta? Just generally speaking.
I'm not sure.
Do you remember that they moved to Atlanta?
When they moved to Atlanta?
That they moved to Atlanta.
Yes, they did move to Atlanta.
Okay. And do you remember what street they moved on to?
Brookline.
Okay. And who owned the house they lived in?
My parents.
Your parents, both William Autry
And Virginia.
Autry.
Yes.
And did they own any other houses in that area?
Two. There was three altogether.
Three altogether.
Mm-hmm.
And did a Mr. Holyfield ever own the house that Christopher lived in?
No, he didn't.
Okay. To your knowledge, did he own any of the houses?
He did not.
Okay.
As my knowledge, he didn't.
Do you know who Mr. Holyfield was?
I'm not sure who. I've heard of the name, but I'm not really sure who he was.
I'm not talking about the boxer.
Oh, no. Okay. No.
All right. Do you remember during the time that Melissa went missing? Did you ever talk to the police? Did the police ever come to talk to you about Melissa being missing?
I can't recall, but I don't know. I can't remember if they did. I don't know.
Is it possible that
It's
they
possibly they did.
did? Okay. And somewhere around the time frame of 2001, early 2000s, do you remember ever taking down Melissa's pictures from your home?
Well, I'm always changing my walls and my pictures and stuff, so probably did.
Is it possible that
Possible, yes.
Okay. Do you remember a time that certain pictures of Melissa were stolen from your house?
Yes.
Okay. Describe that a little bit for me.
When we had moved to McDonough, I had photo albums in my garage, and there were some photo albums pictures got gone out of the photo albums, and there was 2 lanterns that I had out there that was gone.
2 lanterns.
Lanterns I had on my front porch, I had put in the garage, and they had got gone.
And why had you moved the lanterns to the garage?
Because we was working on the front porch painting it, and we was putting the stuff in the garage.
Okay. So you were doing some renovation work
Yes.
and you put some stuff in storage in the garage?
Yes.
Okay. No further questions at this time, Your Honor.
Ms. Hilton, any questions for this witness?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now, you just spoke on direct examination regarding the homes your parents owned on Brookline. The homes your parents owned, let's touch the mic. The home your parents owned on Brookline Street in Atlanta.
Yes.
They said it was 3 homes,
There was duplexes.
duplexes.
Yeah.
But were there 3 duplexes that they owned?
Yes.
And is one of the addresses 823 Brookline?
Yes.
Was another address 824 Brookline?
Yes.
And what was the third address?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Now, these homes, are they the homes that you grew up in?
The 823 one was.
823 you grew up in. Did you have other family members in 824 in the other?
My uncle.
About how old were you when you moved from Brookline?
How old was I?
Yes, because you said you grew up in 823, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Probably about 17 or 18.
When you moved out of Brookline, did your parents still live there?
Yes.
And did your parents eventually move from Brookline?
Yes.
Roughly what years do you think your parents may have moved from Brookline?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
70s, 80s, 90s?
Probably about 2000. I don't know.
Oh, 2000.
I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Once you moved out of the Brookline house, did you ever live back on Brookline?
No.
Once you moved out of Brookline, how often did you go back to Atlanta?
I don't know. I don't know.
I apologize, ma'am. I've heard everything you've said so far, but if you'll just make sure and speak up a little bit into that microphone. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Would you ever go to Brookline to check on the homes on Brookline?
To check on, no. Why would I? No.
No.
Mm,
At some point, did your brother Rick live in one of the houses on Brookline?
yes.
Which house did he live at? Do you remember?
823.
Did you ever visit your brother on Brookline?
Yes.
Did your brother live at 823 Brookline in the late 80s, early 90s?
I'm sure he did. I'm not sure, I guess.
Would Chris ever visit your brother Rick at the 823 Brookline house?
I don't know, because I guess. I don't know.
Now, Mr. McDermott asked you about Mr. Holyfield.
Mhm.
Is
Yeah,
that a
I'm
yes?
sorry. Yes.
It's okay. Do you know Mr. Holyfield's first name?
I have no idea.
Now, you said that Mr. Holyfield never owned any of your homes. Do you know Mr. Holyfield managed any of the homes?
No,
How do you know Mr. Holyfield?
I don't.
How do you know that name?
Because it was through the, I don't know. I don't know him.
Did he have some connection to your parents' homes on Brookline?
I don't know. I don't know who.
Your
I've
Honor,
heard the name, but I don't know.
She testified on cross that she didn't know who he was. So this is pretty much asked and answered. What's the point?
Overruled. Go ahead.
You said you know the name.
Mm.
Why do you know that name?
For the houses, I get. I don't know who. I don't know.
Now, you said that Chris and Melissa lived at your parents' house at some point.
Yes.
Okay. If Chrissy was born in August of 1995, is that fair? Chrissy was born in August of 1995.
Yes.
When did they live with your parents?
The years I'm terrible with the years. Oh, probably when she's probably a year old or so, or maybe I don't know before, but probably about a year old or so, or before. I don't know. But
Were they living with your parents before Chrissy was born?
before, I don't think so. I think they had no, or I don't know.
So is it fair to say they didn't live with your parents until after Chrissy was born?
Yes.
And so that's sometimes after 1995.
Yes.
And they lived with your mother for about 2 years, 2 or 3 years, and moved to Brookline in 1998.
Sounds like it. Yes.
And they moved into 824 Brookline.
Yes.
Did you ever visit them at 824 Brookline?
I guess. I'm not sure. I don't think so. I don't know.
You said you don't think so?
I don't know. I don't know.
Do you know if they were paying rent to your mother when they were staying at 824 Brookline?
I'm pretty sure there was.
Now, in 1998, at least the early part of 1998, you had temporary guardianship of Chrissy and Joey, correct?
Yes.
Did you ever take the kids to go visit their parents on Brookline?
They would come and visit them. Yeah, they would come. Yeah.
When you say they would come, will you bring the kids to Brookline, or you're saying they, meaning Melissa and Chrissy, would come to you?
Chris and Melissa would come in there.
They would come to visit you?
They would, yes, they would come, yes.
Did you ever visit Christopher at his job, at any jobs he ever had?
No.
Do you know where your son was working back in 1998?
I'm not sure, but they said the glass place is what, is that, I don't know.
Had you ever been to the glass?
No, I don't even know where, no.
You said you don't even know where it is. Isn't it true that Melissa wanted to dissolve your temporary guardianship in 1998?
Not that, no,
I'm sorry?
no.
She did not want to dissolve it.
I'm sorry, can you reread what you said? I mean,
Did Melissa want to dissolve the temporary guardianship?
dissolve it? I don't,
Did she not want you to have her kids anymore for a short period of time?
no, I don't.
Are you aware about an incident in July of 1998 in which Melissa took out a TPO on your son, a temporary protective order on your son?
I did not.
Did you ever go to court with your son to answer to a temporary protective order?
I didn't know anything about it.
When Chrissy and Joey were younger, isn't true you wanted them to call you mother or mom?
No, they just called me mom, but they knew I was their grandmother.
Did you ever tell Melissa, Chrissy or Joey about Melissa after she disappeared?
I told them we would go look for her, but we didn't know where to go look.
When you say you would go look for her, what do you mean?
I mean, she was gone. We would look. I mean,
Where'd you go
wherever,
look for her?
I don't have no idea. I mean, if somebody would go, we'd just go look for her.
Where'd you go look for her?
We didn't because we didn't know where to go.
Oh, so you didn't go look for her?
No.
Did you ever tell them about their mother?
I told her that she had left and that we would go look for her. If we could, that's about it.
Okay, so you told them that she had left and that you would go look for her.
Yeah.
But you never went to go look for her?
We didn't know where she was at.
So why did you tell the kids that you were gonna go look for her?
Because we would go look for her if we knew where she was at. I mean,
So is that what you told the kids? If we knew where she was, we would go look for her?
yeah, I mean, yeah, we didn't know where she was at. I mean, she left.
Did you ever tell the children that Melissa was their mother?
Yes. And Chris was the father.
Now, you talked about, I guess, Melissa's pictures being stolen. Is that what you told Mr. McDermott?
There was pictures, yes.
Tell me about that. So was just Melissa's picture stolen or all the pictures were stolen?
There was pictures in my photo albums was gone, and some of them was the pictures of Melissa, yes.
So was it only the pictures of Melissa that were stolen?
Pictures of her and Chrissy and just of the kids and all, and her.
Did the children ever ask you, strike that, let me ask a better question. Do you recall Chrissy and Joey finding pictures and asking you about Melissa in those pictures?
No,
Do you recall not telling them who Melissa was?
no,
Do you recall once they began questioning you about Melissa, taking the pictures and putting them in a shed?
no.
Is there any reason anyone would have to make that up?
I have no idea.
Would Chris ever tell his children about their mother?
I'm pretty sure he did.
Did you ever see Chris do it?
No, he would have them.
How often would he have the kids?
He would have them a lot. I mean, he would come up and play with them and take them places, and we all went to Six Flags and just.
When's the last time you remember seeing Melissa?
I guess at the courthouse when we done the papers. I don't think.
I apologize, ma'am. I just need you to speak a
sorry.
little more loudly and clearly into that microphone. Thank you.
I guess when we did the paperwork at the courthouse. I mean, I don't remember when.
Now, is this in 1998?
98, I believe so.
Now, do you recall in 1998 when you got full guardianship or permanent guardianship of the children? Do you remember Norma Patton bringing the children to you?
Bringing them to me?
Yes, like giving you the children.
No, I don't remember her bringing them to me.
Do you remember Norma Patton ever giving you the kids at any point in time?
I remember they was at their house one time, and they brought them back, and they had a head full of lice, and they had Joey had diaper rash, and me and Melissa went down to Walmart and got some stuff and done all their heads with. I mean, that's the only time I remember that.
So you never remember picking the kids up?
The kids up? I don't.
You don't remember
I
that?
don't know.
Did you ever see Melissa around the holidays in 1998?
We had Christmas at my mom's house.
Okay. Do you remember that being in December of 1998 when you had Christmas at your mom's house?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Okay. Was Melissa present at that Christmas at your mom's house?
I guess. I mean, I guess she was.
Do you remember seeing her?
Yeah, I guess we're always there. I mean,
When you last saw Melissa, what do you remember? What did she look like?
long brown hair, just an average girl. I mean, just.
Long brown hair, about your length?
Probably.
And this is maybe around December of 1998 at that Christmas at your mom's house.
Yes.
Now, after Christmas of 1998, when you didn't see her anymore, did you have any concern about her whereabouts?
Yes.
Did you call the police or anyone to see that she was missing or to report that she was missing?
No.
To your knowledge, did your son call to tell anyone that his wife is missing?
I'm pretty sure he did. I mean, I don't know.
You don't know. In 2000, do you recall a detective from the Henry County Police Department coming to speak to you about Melissa's disappearance?
In 2000?
Yes.
I don't remember.
And do you remember being reluctant about giving him information about Chris?
I don't remember that. No.
Do you recall this detective wanting to kind of make contact with Chris so he can talk to Chris about his wife's disappearance?
I have no recall about any of that. No. Hmm.
And I guess, is it fair to say that since Melissa went missing, you didn't really go look for her, right?
No, I didn't know where she's at.
To your knowledge, your son didn't go looking for her, right?
I'm pretty sure he did. I mean, I don't know.
And it's safe to say you love your son, right?
Yes.
And as a mother, you're a protector of your son, right?
Yes.
course and dog park.
Sure.
A fish. They was out in the lake on a boat. Well, not in the boat, but there's a boat right there. And Chrissy just caught a fish.
But how old is Chrissy in that picture?
She looks, what, about maybe 4, 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a date?
And Joey too, he's there.
No, how about that one?
This is Chrissy's graduation, 18th. Chris and me. Okay, this is Chris.
And can you describe what's in that photograph, please?
Okay, this was Savannah, and we was in Savannah, Georgia, and we're sitting on a bench, and Chris and Melissa are eating ice cream cones. And there's Kimberly and there's Chrissy in the stroller.
And how old is Chrissy in that picture?
She's in the stroller, so I figure about 2,
And
maybe, or
just,
1 or so.
a couple more questions. In that picture, is Melissa wearing long sleeves and long pants?
No, she's in like a little short little, is that like a culottes thing? Like a,
And is she got any bruises on her arms or legs? Or
no,
legs?
not at all. And she's smiling and she's laughing, happy.
I don't have anything further.
Ms. Hilton, any additional questions for this witness? And when y'all are done, if you'll sort of just collect the photographs on that front ledge. Thank you all.
First ask you this, in 2023, around December of 2023, did members of the Fulton County District Attorney's Office and Investigator Shepherd come to your home or your daughter's home to speak with you?
23, I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know.
Do you
Did
remember
she?
seeing this man before?
Did-
Do you remember him?
do I
Seeing
remember
him?
I think I've seen him before. I mean, yes.
Was that at your home? or
At
your
my
daughter's
home? I don't think it was at my home. I don't remember. I don't know. Just,
Do you remember anyone in the 2020s coming to talk to you about Melissa's disappearance?
Yeah, they came to my daughter's house, was it last year or is it something like that?
And that was before Chris got arrested. Is that fair to say?
Before, yes, I think it was in January.
Now, we talked about these pictures. Looks like graduations, fishing trips, birthdays, kindergarten graduations. And these are all events that Melissa didn't have the pleasure of enjoying. Is that correct?
She was in some of the pictures,
She's in one of the pictures, right?
I guess. I mean, yeah.
Is it just that last one where I think they asked you about what clothes she was wearing?
Mhm.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
This is the only picture that has Melissa, right?
I'm sorry, is that a yes, ma'am?
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
yes.
And that's been, this picture in 1995 or 6 was Chris was in the struggle.
This is intro. There was one that we went to six. There was one that we stayed at Six Flags.
But in this picture, this is before 1998, correct?
I guess. Yes.
Okay. So this is before Melissa ever called the police on Chris for hitting her, correct?
I don't know.
And some of these pictures are after 1999. Is that fair to say?
Yeah.
After Melissa's body and head was found on Avon Street?
I guess. I mean,
After her torso, which has never been found?
I guess. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't know.
Melissa didn't have the opportunity to participate in her children's lives because she was dead, correct?
I guess. I mean, I don't know what happened to her. I mean,
Sustained.
It's argumentative.
I already said sustained, but thank you.
Oh, thank you.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you. Anything else, Mr. McDermott?
Nothing for this witness, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. You may step down, ma'am.